Navigate to the object storage and click the Create bucket. Now open the Access option and select the S3 EC2 credential and create the access and secret key. Navigate to the NeevCloud docs and follow these steps. Now download and install the S3 drive to following docs. Now click on the Manage account and add the NeevCloud bucket. Click on the plus and configure the R clone. Now click the added account and you can see bucket have been visible. Now click on the sync and configure the sync. Set up the source path and now set up the destination path. Select mode like copy, move, and sync. Set the sync in every minute. And click on the save. Now check the data have been copied from local machine to NeevCloud bucket.